Okay, so today we are gonna make a cooling fan. And I'm just gonna start this. We'll have to get the box ready and then open the up lid. And then we'll need to get this thing first out. And then put this block on top. Make sure it stays very near the green button. Then we will need a orange one and a blue one. Put the orange on top of the blue and then put the blue back on top of the blue. So this is quite easy. And then we will need this. And put it like this. So it looks like this. And you have to make sure you have to plug it in, plug this thing in so it will work. Then we'll need one piece of the screen like this. Then we'll need another piece of the same thing. Make it a cross. Then we will need something funny, a funny shaped thing like this. So we plug it in like this so that when you do that, it will spin. Oh, it's almost finished. Now you just have to plug this, put this thingamajiggy in there, make sure it's tight, then it's finished. Now we have to connect it. It's so quick, right? Just connect. Okay. So this is kind of easy. We have to drag the thing that had a timer like this on it, and then with a number like 8, we can change it. I'm just gonna do it into super fast. Okay, so let's see how this works. It doesn't quite give you some air, but just a little. I can't feel anything, actually. I cannot feel anything here. Just a little air. So we can add some other things to it as well, like music. I'm just going to find a good one. That sounds good. Wait. 5 is good, I think. So let's just check it out. That's cool. So then we swipe it along and find that repeater, put it around there. Wait, actually not. Put the repeater, put the music into the repeater and then put the thing at the front, stop this and then go again. See, this time it works. When it's spinning, but when it stops. It's kind of fun with this. So, see you next time, guys. Bye.